The Parliamentary Empowerment of Women Committee, MPs from Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, 30 of them who have visited Byculla jail, and they're just about to exit after meeting jail officials and also doing an inspection of the facilities. As our correspondent Chaitanya was reporting, the jail premises were actually cleaned up just yesterday in anticipation of this meet, and several serious charges have been made against jail authorities here at the Byculla jail. One of them at the top of the list is of injuring and killing, leading to the death of an inmate, Manjula, just last month, which led to a riot-like situation from other inmates inside. One of the accused of those riots also was Indrani Mukherjee, who herself has made grave charges against jail authorities, saying that she was witness to the torture meted out to Manjula, her co-inmate, because of which she eventually succumbed to her death. This is a women's parliamentary committee led by an MP from Assam, and also local Supriya Sule of the NCP is also part of this visiting delegation that is taking stock of the jail premises. We'll get you more from our correspondent Chaitanya, who's actually at the site and trying to get us more details. But these are visuals coming in of the MPs actually now exiting the jail premises. We'll wait and see if they actually speak to the media as well. But several grave charges have been made against authorities in this jail, the Byculla jail, even as we follow the story of the accusations made in Karnataka against DGP by the DIG there. As I was mentioning earlier, mismanagement of prisons, mismanagement of jails, either giving special treatment to VVIPs or torture against ordinary inmates, that continues to be a grave concern in India. There you see several women parliamentarians in the bus leaving the premises of the Byculla jail that has been the center of much controversy over the last 2 weeks. So Supriya Sule and many others have actually taken stock of the situation in this jail. I have Chaitanya with us over the phone line. Chaitanya, tell us more. Did the MPs tell you what kind of interaction they had inside?
Well, the MPs did not speak to the media as of now. They just left from here, said that they will let us know of what happened. In fact, they also said that they will be raising this issue in the parliament. So what exactly happened, that remains to be seen. But then, yes, what we assume is that at this point of time, this visit was on the lines of what happened in the Byculla jail earlier. In fact, last month, that there were many uncertain things that took place at Byculla jail. First was the murder of one inmate, that was Manjula Shetty, and later on there was also a lathi charge. The prisoners also raised voice. In fact, most of the inmates also wrote to the respective courts in which their trial was going on. One of them was also Indrani Mukherjee, who also wrote to the CBI court saying that there was a lathi charge and she was also beaten up. So these were some of the voices raised, and that is how, in fact, these would not have been heard, or if the inmates would not have raised this issue, this would have never come out. So because of all this, the note has been taken about the entire incident, and now that is why
Chaitanya, I appreciate you joining us. For the meantime, we let you go to try and find out more about just what these MPs did while inside Byculla jail. Just what are they trying to achieve? Are they going to put pressure? But as Chaitanya was saying, they are going to raise this issue in Parliament.